kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? No, don't try that thing on me. Oh. Don't try that thing on me ever.
Hey, mind how you talk to me. I know your mate. Are you stupid? Now because me and you follow the waka for road, you can just say go open mouth and talk to me.
No, you see the reason why I don't like working with you. You see the reason why I don't like working with you. See, I will regret working with you. Don't you ever see me and say we should collaborate.
No, what you gonna do me?
No, wait.
No, beat me.
No, don't try.
No, beat me.
I will left hook you if I elbow you. Don't try this nonsense with me. Imagine.
Because you wear black and black.
Imagine. That's what we call danger.
You can't resemble Igbo Delta. That very nice man, but a stupid man can't dress like him. Are you okay? Hey, see machine now. Now person pack this in, now person like you, now him pack this thing. A person like you, now him pack this thing. Your own not to wear they walk out for road, they talk rubbish.
What a bombshell.
This
What a bombshell.
Hey, Bill.
It's all gone machine.
Hey.
No. My friend. This machine will not be expensive like that. Oh no. Now this one is just small thing. Just one small one. Once I make it now, I will get this one too. This type too. Hey. See this type. Hey, wait. Listen. This is the moment. Okay? This is the moment. Let me be the boss. Let's just wind again. You understand? Let's pretend.
So wait till I go come back.
No, you're my small boy now. No.
Barry now. Insult yourself. Insult you. How good become your boy? Small child like you because of what? Because you get body pass me.
No, you don't get vibes now, Mika. Don't worry for now. Let me just pretend. Anything I do, no, don't vex.
Igwe! Right. Hello. Good afternoon. My boss here, I want to talk to you, the owner of this car. He's the chairman in charge of this estate. He is the CEO of Nze Home Ventures. So he is the owner of this whole of estate. He wants to talk to you in a jiffy.
Oh, 1 minute, please. Yeah. Oh. Cindy. Hi, girl. Let me call you back. Yes, let me call you back.
Please, can you come to my boss? Don't be shy. Come.
Okay. Fine, dear. How are you?
Hello. You're the boss.
Yes, he is.
You are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Now my kind of taste. Where are you going to?
Actually, I'm just going to the ventures, the same as that you talked about.
Okay.
Oh, he was coming to us, so.
Hold down now.
Okay.
Okay, you were coming to his ventures.
Yeah.
Oh, I need not to talk too much. You are actually talking
Sorry,
today.
which of the ventures do you know? Which one do you know?
The ventures apparatus.
Oh,
yes.
Not the ventures furnitures and household equipment.
The Ventures Home Global. We deal on all kinds of things. He deal on casket, he deal on automobile, he deal on so many dealings. He deal on lands and properties. In fact, he doesn't talk too much. He's a man of few words, but his money. Isn't it?
So you know the ventures.
Of course.
So if you see his customers that is always coming there, you know the customer?
Why don't we have know them? It's just that sometimes we know the day office. Now our workers the day office.
And you said this is your car.
This one has no one.
Your car is nice, sir.
Thank you.
Very pretty. Wow.
I actually have this one, 4 of them.
Are you serious?
Yes, I just came back from Turkey.
Remember the G-Guard?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow. Your car is top notch.
Yes.
My dear.
This one is, excruciatingly hot.
My dear, just tell me where you want to go.
I just want to go to any E3 nearby. Any E3, I'm okay with it. Just take me out of
Let's
here.
take her to franchise.
Yes.
Franchise.
Let's go to franchise.
Okay.
See,
Open the car.
She said open the car. Jesus.
Open your car now.
Open your car. Open your car.
Hey! Jesus. Okay. Hold this thing first. Make
Where is the
Hey! The car key there for G-Guard inside that automobile.
This boy.
Oh, I left it in that man where we just visit. The way we go to
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
But let me see if there is a way I can. Manage it.
Wow, you want to manage and open the car?
There's a way we normally do it.
Yes. You don't get Archie. Silly Archie. Next time I see two of you, I will get you arrested. I will have both of you arrested. See you in court.
Take your stick first. Take your stick first. Take your stick first. Take your stick. Take your stick first.
You know you're again.
No, just take your stick first.
No, finish being Oga.
No, I don't want to. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, collaborating with you is very. You see. That's why I don't like it. Oh, I don't like this thing. How can you say you have left the key in the G guard? Take control, bro.
So where would I have
Take
left
control,
it?
bro.
Where would I have left
You
it?
must tell them, say, oh, it's in the car. It's inside the car. The time say it's in your pocket. Why? Why do
So
that?
how you go take put am for your pocket? Come put am inside car.
Why you not the one saying that G guard? G guard.
We never plan say we go buy G card. People know they go for somewhere, go talk waiting they never buy. They go talk say they don't buy. No only me don't do them before.
What's that? What's that? No, this fine girl embarrass us now.
The girl is a very stupid girl. Very stupid and useless girl.
Very stupid. All the very stupid girl. How can you push us down like that?
In fact, I don't see say this is where me and you they follow waka. You go cause trouble in future. Go your way, make I go my way.
Oh
yes.
No,
go your way.
No, wait, you want to go your way? Go your way now. Go your way. Go your way. Who go buy you food? Go your way now. Go your way.
Now what for you? First know they follow you. Small go your way, don't take and sing song 3 times. Ordinary go your way, where people they take do release. If you put a beat now, go your way. Hey,
you go see who go buy you apple.